Have you ever seen birds sitting on power lines and wondered why they don't get electrocuted? It looks dangerous, but it's actually safe for them. Electricity only flows when there is a difference in voltage. When a bird sits on just one wire, both of its feet are at the same electrical level, so there is no voltage difference across its body. And without voltage difference, electricity does not flow through the bird. But if the bird touches to wires, or a wire and the ground, so it's not the wire that is dangerous, it's the path the electricity takes. Follow for more simple engineering explanations.